Mary and Milton wanted to sell their home, but it was in less than perfect condition. Like many homes, Mary and Milton's home started to show its age. They knew that in order to get top dollar, they'd need to make some repairs, potentially expensive repairs. Repairs they couldn't really afford and didn't have the time to do themselves. Then they heard about the partner program from RENOMAX. Not only is RENOMAX a licensed real estate brokerage, they are a licensed contractor. RENOMAX's partner program will renovate your home with no upfront cost to you, assist with mortgage or rent payments, security deposits, moving and storage expenses, and RENOMAX gets paid when you do, at the closing table. That's not all. Mary and Milton also benefited from RENOMAX's 0% listing commission. Yes, that's right. RENOMAX lists your home absolutely free. Mary and Milton jumped on it. The friendly RENOMAX agent met Mary and Milton at their home to discuss the list of needed repairs and recommendations to get them the maximum sales price. RENOMAX then took care of all the work and the costs, so Mary and Milton did not have to lift a finger. In what seemed like no time at all, the house was sparkling like new and went on the market. With RENOMAX as their partner, Mary and Milton sold their house faster with fewer headaches, while netting over $30,000 more at closing. RENOMAX also assisted Mary and Milton with their moving expenses, making things a whole lot easier for Mary and Milton as they moved on to their new home. If you think your home could benefit from the RENOMAX Partner Program so you too can get top dollar for your home, then don't delay. Contact them today.